Butter chicken is most popular in India. Today we are going to make simple and tasty butter chicken recipe. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to make butter chicken recipe. So without wasting time, let's start the video and check out the recipe. First, we need to make chicken tikka. I have taken approximately 250 grams of boneless chicken pieces. First, I am going to marinate with 2 ingredients. Add some salt and squeeze a half lemon juice. Mix and keep it aside for 10 minutes. This is called first marination. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. You can use any vegetable oil. And add 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. We do this as in the oil, the chili powder best leaves out its natural color and we get a bright red color. No colors need to be added. Next, I am going to add 3 tablespoons of curd. And 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Mix well. This is second marination. Now take chicken from the first marination and add to this. And nicely mix it up. And our marinated chicken tikka is ready. Keep it for 15 to 20 minutes. Till that time, we will move on to make curry. Take a kadai, add 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of oil. Let it heat. Once the oil is heated, I am going to add 3 sliced onions. Fry the onions till they are transparent. Now I am going to add 2 medium-sized roughly chopped tomatoes, 8 to 10 cashew nuts. Fry nicely until the tomatoes are mushy and soft. Once done, turn off the flame and let it cool down into the room temperature. Next, in a mixer jar, add these fried onions and tomatoes and make a fine puree. It's important that we strain this gravy. We want a smooth, silky, shiny butter chicken gravy. For that, it is important to strain it. Always add some water and wash off whatever is sticking to the jar. Everything gets strained. Next, we will make chicken tikka. In a pan, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of butter. Now, I am going to add the chicken pieces to the hot pan. If you put the chicken on mild flame, it will leave out water and become like a boiled chicken and not a grilled chicken. Make sure the flame should be on high and you don't toast the chicken. We have to let it cook from one side patiently. Chicken will be about half cooked, then we will flip it. Cook it from the other side and out. We do not flip it again and again. As you can see here, perfect chicken tikka is ready. Next, we will heat the kadai again. Melt some butter. Let the butter melt. Now I am going to add 3 cloves, 2 cardamom and 1 inch of cinnamon stick and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Fry nicely. Now I am going to add my pureed butter chicken curry and I will let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. And remember, the flame should be on medium. After 15 minutes, I am going to add little kasuri methi. Mix well. And we need to add our chicken tikka. Cook the chicken for about 2 to 3 minutes. Towards the end, we will finish it with a 3 tablespoons of fresh cream. Check the salt. If salt is required, you need to add salt. After adding the cream, give it a nice stir and it is done. Keep it aside. Adds a touch of magic to the final butter chicken recipe. For that, take a tadka pan and add 1 tablespoon of butter or ghee. Once the butter is heated, add slit 2 green chilies and some kasuri methi. Fry nicely. Once done, pour this into the curry and that's it. The tasty, easy and simple butter chicken recipe is ready to be served. You can have this butter chicken with hot rice, parathas, chapatis and also dosa. If you like this video, please give a like, share with your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.